Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend ahead, so we will not waste any time. We will quickly get through this job lead so that you can go enjoy your weekend with your family. Today's job lead is from Kelly Connect. They are hiring a business data processor. Now, this is remote work from home, and this is within both the United States and Canada. Now, this does pay very well at $65.50 an hour, so this is going to require some technical skills. So their business data processor is responsible for ongoing maintenance of global business data updates to the SAP and Salesforce cloud environments. So you'll be responsible for maintaining databases by creating new records or updating existing ones. You'll apply data from automated jobs for import and export of data between data systems. You'll support data setup requests, tickets, and templates, and update for new service product offerings and changes to business data. You'll also supervise and support Salesforce data error logs, reviewing and correcting errors in the automated data and manual records. So while this does not require any college degree, they do prefer someone who has a bachelor degree in computer science. So if you do hold a degree, that will get your application to the front of the line. But again, it is not required. They do want someone who has advanced Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Office skills, somebody who's experienced working with different types of data sources, and someone who's a proven track record with SAP and Salesforce data administration. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comment section anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.